Yo, shout out to Dom. Welcome to MMO Gang. As you can see, he's 16 and he got his first 1.7k social media marketing agency client a few days just before turning 17, which is pretty interesting. And he claims that it was inspired by videos to even take the leap and go for it. So I'm glad that that's helped you. Now, if you want to be shouted out in the next episode, just make sure you send me a DM on Twitter, or Instagram, or Snapchat, showing me your profits of making money online. Let's get it, man. Welcome to MMO Gang. Aye, it's Poku Banks, baby, and today we're going to talk about how much money I made on my first month being monetized on YouTube. Okay guys, now I run a finance channel. I'll talk about personal finance and entrepreneurship. It only makes sense when I tell you guys how much money I make, because imagine someone talking about money and they're not even showing you like what they're doing with their money or how much money they're making. I'm taking you guys on this journey, we're on this journey to wealth, me and you together. So it really makes sense when I show you guys how much money I'm making from my certain businesses. So we go into that today. But yeah, if you was to ask me, at the beginning of this year, Poku, you'll be going to YouTube halfway throughout the year, I wouldn't have believed you. But I started on TikTok. I got around 160,000 followers, and a select portion of them really wanted me to start with YouTube. So I did that for them, and it's been good so far. I started in June, now in August, we're on 9.4k subscribers. Let's get me to 100k. Alright, cool. So now we're gonna move on to the laptop. This is my YouTube channel, as we can see over here. Now, essentially, the way to get monetized is that you need two things. Firstly, you need 1,000 subscribers, which is pretty easy for me. I'm not gonna lie to you. Before I even started the YouTube channel, I had 2,000 subscribers already subscribed to him, waiting for him to drop a video. So that's pretty easy. And you also need 4,000 watch hours. Now, when it comes to watch hours, essentially, if you watch this video, so let's say this is a 10-minute video. If you watch all of this 10 minutes, that means I have 10 minutes of watch time. If 6 of you watch 10 minutes of this video, that means that's an hour, because 6 of you watch 10 minutes, that's an hour. Our YouTube creator needs 4,000 hours of those. So essentially, you need to put out quite a few videos. Now, the problem is that not everybody watches a full video. You may watch the video and leave, halfway through. So that means you only watch 5 minutes. So then it cuts down even short. That means I need more people watching my videos. And now the next thing that you need to do is that you need to verify your Google AdSense account. Firstly, they'll send you a code with a pin on it, but you need to verify your home address. And then they'll send you a random amount between £0 and £1. And then you have to verify that with your bank. Once you've done that, you verify them and you start getting paid. Google owns YouTube, so Google AdSense is they who pay us. That's how I get my money every month. Alright, cool. I understand some of you guys don't even care about me. You just want to see how much money I make. I'll show you guys right now. So in my first month of being monetized, I made £309 in my first month being monetized. Now here's my analytics. As you can see over here, you can see how much we made per day. So my first day being monetized, I made, and this was on July the 20th, I made £4.69. £4.69. It's a little bit. Next day I made £4.58. I went down a little bit, and then I went up. On the next day, £6.63. Now, like I said, my first video that I uploaded, make money online, like I said earlier, I made £9.11p that day. That's great. And now, as you can see here, it's a flat line. Here is when I wasn't monetized. I started YouTube, my first video, I will have 100,000 subscribers in 1 year, was on the 9th of June. Obviously, I wasn't paid anything because I wasn't monetized yet. I had to get the 4,000 watch hours. So that's what I was building up to. All these videos, I released 12 videos before I got monetized. 12 videos. And it took me, I started on 9th of June towards the 17th of July. A month and 8 days. Cool. So, as you see over here, 4.83. Now, £15.38 on Wednesday, July 28th. I uploaded how we got on a property ladder. We'll look more into the details. Don't get me wrong. We'll look more into details. And then, okay, cool. £19.99. So basically £20. And I uploaded how to make money in your sleep. That was a good video as like passive income. We'll go more into details. Don't get me wrong. £18.54. This was things to stop wasting money on. Good video. Okay, here go another day. £19.40 Wednesday, the 19th. We uploaded 2. I didn't upload 2 videos, but I feel like I uploaded one after each other, but not on the same day. But yeah, £309 in my first month of making money. Now, as you can see over here, we've got the top earning videos. So how to invest £100 in the UK made me £51. That one video. And you know why I find this one very, very surprising now is that I uploaded this video on the 15th of June. It wasn't making any money then. Bear in mind, it was making no money until I got verified. Until I got monetized. And it's still my top earner. And it is my most performing video. It's got about 13,000 views, so that does make a little bit of sense. But we'll go more into details on that. How to make money asleep. That's my next one. £37. Things to stop wasting money on, £27. Property ladder, £27, and make money online is a team of £17. Not bad, not bad. As you can see, July £92, August, blah, blah, blah. So some of my viewers got YouTube Premium. You guys are rich. I can't lie. I don't think YouTube Premium is worth it personally, but you know, most of my money comes from skippable ads. Cool. Now, cool. You guys might be looking at this RPM and CPM. Now let me explain the difference. RPM stands for revenue per mil. So a mil is 1,000 in French. Revenue per 1,000. CPM stands for cost per 1,000, or cost per mil, cost per 1,000. Now, CPM essentially is what the advertisers pay to YouTube to advertise on my videos. These advertisers pay YouTube £10.88 to advertise on my videos, okay, per 1,000 views. That's how much they pay YouTube. Now, RPM is revenue per 1,000, so this is how much I get revenue. This is how much revenue I get per 1,000 views. So essentially, I get £3.18 per 1,000 views. Now, this isn't too accurate. The reason why it isn't too accurate is because, you know, I wasn't monetized for the first half of this graph, as you can see over here. But essentially, so far, that's how much I'm making per 1,000 views. Now, the reason I make a lot more per 1,000 views compared to other YouTubers is because of you guys. I love you guys. I'm more gang. Let's get it. And the reason I make more money is because of your interests, what you watch on YouTube. Since my audience, you guys, love to watch stuff around money and personal finance. The ads that you see before my videos are related to, you know, money and banks and whatnot. These banks, these institutions have a lot of money to pay YouTube. Therefore, me as a creator, I get paid a lot more. Before you watch this video, you probably saw an advert on something to do with money or finance or property. But now, let's say, for example, let's say I started a YouTube channel and my YouTube channel was about, you know, cats. There's not much money in cats, like as in there's not many advertisers paying enough money to make me enough money on cats, if you get what I'm saying. Now, when it comes to making money on YouTube, it's not about subscribers, it's about views, how many views you get. Now, another way that I make a lot more money is by using mid-roll ads. So essentially, while you guys are watching videos, you may see an ad like during the video, like right about now. And what I could do is essentially, I can place ads in between my videos, so I could change where it is and whatnot. So basically at 3:12, you're more likely to see an ad. Do you know what I'm saying? So you see ad before the video, during the video, and after the video. That's how I make a lot more money. Now let's look at this video. It's University Scam. This video got me 5,700 views. It only made me £5.70. £5.70. If you go on the revenue tab, the playback CPM, advertisers are only paying them £7.13 per 1,000 views, and our RPM is only, you know, £1. So for every 1,000 views, I get £1. Bear in mind, this video got me 5.7k views. Now, if you want to go into another video, which got me less views, so let's say, okay, cool. How we got the property ladder? How we got the property ladder 18? I got £27 for that video, and that video got me 4.6k views. It was less views than a university video, yet it gave me more money. Why? Because of the topic of the video, property. There's a lot of money within the property game. As you can see, the playback CPM is £8.97. It's more, and the RPM is £6.4. So that means for every 1,000 views, I get £6. Let's see how to make money in your sleep. We got £37 from this video. You got 3.5k views. Let's go on revenue. The playback CPM is £14. And the RPM is £11.19p. So for every 1,000 views, I'm getting £11.19. Okay, now guys, let's remember I'm Poku Banks. I treat YouTube as a business. This isn't a hobby to me. You know, this isn't some plaything. This is a business. I have expenses. I'm trying to make a profit. So, for example, this thumbnail that you see here, you know, me sleeping £100 overnight. I didn't make this thumbnail. You know, I have a graphic designer. I pay him £7 per thumbnail. So essentially, for every video I make, I'm paying £7 for the thumbnail to be made. So for example, this video made me £37, 92p. I paid £7 for the thumbnail, so that means my profit on this video is £30. Okay, so I've released 22 videos. So that means 22 times £7, 154. I paid £154 for my thumbnails. My estimated revenue is 309, so 309 minus 154 equals £155 profit. But guys, man, don't be fooled. This is not the only way to make money on YouTube. Let me teach you. So essentially, there's something called Amazon affiliates. So let me just go into a random video. So as you can see here, there's some links here. Amazon affiliate link. These are affiliate links. So essentially, when you click on it and buy something, I get a percentage. Okay. But where I make most of my money is through my audiobooks. When you get a free trial, I make a lot of money. Let me show you guys. Okay, so from Amazon affiliates, I've made, I've made £91. I've made £91 from Amazon affiliates. So from you guys clicking the links in my descriptions, I've made £91 from that. So that's an extra £91 on top of that YouTube AdSense money. So there's two sources of income here. 1,400 clicks, 37 people order stuff, only 35 were dispatched, which is weird. So conversion rate is 2.56%. And then I got some referrals here. Let me explain. So essentially fees, as you can see here, let me check. Cool. So it seems like people bought the Rich Dad Poor Dad book. If you remember my video about top 5 books I like or something, people bought this book. Think and Grow Rich, people bought this book. Millionaire Next Door, I recommended all these books. But as you can see, it didn't really make me much money. You know, only made me £13.73. 320 items shipped in revenue and it only gave me £13.73. It's not really good enough, you know. I feel like I need to be selling bigger items to make more money on that. But this is where I'm making my money. Let me show you where I'm making my money. It's from the bounties. It's from the referrals. So essentially what I've done in the description, I say you can get 2 free audiobooks if you sign up to my free trial. Now essentially every time one of you guys click on the free trial for my audiobooks, I get £5. You don't have to buy, you don't have to subscribe to Audible for a month or anything. You just need to do the free trial and I get £5. So as you see here, all of you guys getting the Audible free trial, I get £5 for every referral. And that's where I'm making my money. This is where I'm making my money on Amazon affiliates. So guys, I thank you again. So look, if you want 2 free audiobooks, click down the link below, check it out, man. And now the next way I'm making money from YouTube is through course sales. Now course sales is what's been the big money driver for me. So let's look into my course sales now. Now in January, I made $450. This is before the YouTube. This was this year, January. In February, I made $130. It went a little bit down. In March, it went a little bit up, $240. Okay. Now in April, Corona hit, so I stopped selling my course because my courses do risk-free betting, and essentially you're betting on sports, and all sports came down. You know, all sports stopped during Corona, so I wasn't really selling my course. I don't know why people still bought in April because Corona was at all-time high, so I don't know why. But anyways, May $60. Okay. Now June is $370, and as you guys remember, on June the 9th is when I released my first YouTube video. In July, we made $2.2k. $2,200 in July. And in August isn't over, but we made $710 from our course business. This is where I sell courses online. So essentially, if you want to make some money online through some proven methods, check out my website, selfelevation.co.uk. You can learn to risk-free bet, or you can even learn how to resell sneakers. Check out those courses. Hit me a DM if you need any questions. I'll answer them happily. But I'm pretty sure you guys can agree that YouTube's actually helped my course business. You know, as you guys can see here, you know, before, you know, it was a little bit dry. I'm not gonna lie, it was a little bit dry, especially during these months. But you know, June $370, July $2.2k out of nowhere. I gotta appreciate you guys, you know, for supporting me. Bear in mind, you know, I'm not just making money for no reason. These guys are buying my course and they're making money from it. You know, they're getting value from this. You know, yes, I made £409 on YouTube, but that's not it. You know, I've also, you know, I've gained exposure. It's building my personal brand. You know, this is doing so much for me. And that's what I love about YouTube and my personal brand. You know, it's not just, don't look at it as a face value, you know. So again, that's pretty much it. If you guys want to see more, if you want me to go more into depth on my analytics, do you guys like these videos? Let me know. If you don't like the videos, if you think I'm bragging, let me know. You know, like I said in it, you know, I want to be honest with you guys. My channel is all about personal finance, entrepreneurship. It only makes sense if I show you guys the ins and outs of the business. Do you know what I'm saying? So let me know what you guys think. And you know, make sure you like and subscribe. Get me to 100k, man. I'm trying to get, come on, man. Let's get me to 100k. Let's get it, man. But yeah, man, I hope you guys appreciate that. You know, it's Poku Banks, baby.